What? Timon just broke the ER average? If you thought a 4.84 European record average was impressive, look at this. Timon has to be a beast because he broke the record by 10/100ths of a second when he last time got a 4.84, and that was 2 months ago. And today I'm going to be breaking down the European record average that he got 2 months ago and comparing it to the one he got 4 weeks ago. But before that, let's talk about what method he uses and how he solves the Rubik's Cube so fast. Many people will say he uses CFOP. Well, he does use CFOP, but he also uses CF-top, which is a combination of CFOP but uses cross, F2L, T-perm, OLL, and PLL. And the thing is, this was the first sub 5 average in Cuban history, set by Timon Kolashinsky. It was a 4.86. with one of the best solves in Cuban history. And Timon became the first ever speedcuber to get a sub 5 average solve in human history, but this happened 2 years ago. And by the time he broke the record, Timon was slowly improving on his efficiency, consistency, and turns per second. And finally, he got the world record average. But these solves really are amazing, and I want to show them to you. In his first solve, he gets a 4.13. What Timon does, he looks at his 3 cross edges, he inserts them, then he moves on to S2L, then he does OLL and goes to PLL and gets a 4.13 solve. This might seem like a pretty normal solve, at least for Timon, but it really isn't, in my opinion, because he was doing 13 moves per second, which is very surprising for a cuber like him because he's well known for having a good look ahead and not really being a TPS spammer, like Rushen Du. The second solve is a 5.18. What Timon does in inspection, he sees 2 blocks. Huge blocks. Or should I say,
huge! This can damn, that's big!
And then he inserts the double X cross. Goes on to F2L. Well, finishes off F2L, then goes to OLL and finishes off PLL and gets a 5.18. And the good thing about this is that in the solve, he actually planned out to not do a soon, but do an anti-soon to get a different PLL case. That kinda helped him. In his third solve, he gets a 4.17. What Timon does in the solve is a pseudo X cross. Finishes F2L, goes on to OLL, and finishes off with PLO and gets a 4.17. Timon was turning about 13.19. Timon inserted an X cross, finishes F2L, and does CVL and solves the cube. The unfortunate thing about this solve is that he locked up, but it's CBL, so it doesn't really matter. Timon does X cross, finishes off F2L, does OLL and then PLO. Now, moving from his previous average to his newest one, I'm going to be comparing this one to the other one to see and compare the solutions. What Timon does in the solve is a triple X cross, finishes F2L, does OLL and finishes PLL and gets a 379. This solve is a 437. Timon sees the 4 cross edges, he inserts them, then finishes F2L, does OLL and finishes off PLL and gets a 473. This solve was a 485. Timon again is gonna do an X cross in yellow, finish F2L, do OLL, and finish PLO. In this solve, it uses white, First, Timon looks at his 3 cross edges. He inserts them, does F12, finishes off OLO, and does PLO. Yet again, Timon does a double X cross, finishes off F12, does OLO, and finishes off with PLO.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want.
If you want to see my suggestions, click here. But if you want to see my latest content, click here. And if you want to unsubscribe from my channel, good, unsubscribe. Thank you.